Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Okay, today's our topic is solutions, very short questions, answers 8 or there gunshot 8 questions. Among 8 questions, one question will be comes in your board examination. Define molarity. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is called as molarity. Molarity denoted by capital M. Easy definition: only number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. In which solution means 1 liter of solution. Weight by gram, molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. Or this only written as weight by gram, molecular weight into 1001 by V in liters. This is a change, 1 by V in liters. Next, molality, L, lity. The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Here solution, here solvent, 1 kilogram of solvent. Define molarity. The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Lity, molality, denoted by small m and units is mole, kilogram, inverse. Here mole, liter inverse. Mole, liter inverse. Here small m is equals to weight by gram, molecular weight into 1 by weight kg, weight in kg, capital W in kg. Small m is equals to small w by g, m gram, molecular weight into 1000 by gram in grams. In grams is kilograms. Next, define mole fraction. Mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all the components in solution. This is the formula. It's easy. The ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of the solution. You remember this formula and write this. Mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of component to the total number of moles of the component in solution, or total number of moles of component in the solution. Okay. Next question. State Raoult's law. Raoult's law for volatile solute and non-volatile solute. For a solution of volatile liquid, the partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is directly proportional to mole fraction present in the solution. This is the formula. Pa is equals to XA into P naught A. So for a solution, volatile liquid, partial vapor pressure of each component of solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction present in the solution. Pa is equals to XA into P naught A. Okay. Next, Raoult's law for non-volatile solute. The relative lowering of a vapor pressure of a dilute solution containing non-volatile solute is equals to the mole fraction of the solution is known as Raoult's law in non-volatile. P naught minus Ps by P naught is equals to X solute. Ps is equals to vapor pressure of the solution. P naught is equals to vapor pressure of pure solvents. Okay. Remember this formula and write the definition at your own. Next, state Henry's law. Henry's law states that partial pressure of a gas in vapor phase. In which phase? Vapor phase is proportional to mole fraction of the gas in the solution. P, partial pressure of a gas in the vapor phase is directly proportional to the X. X means mole fraction of the gas in solution. Here KH means constant. Which constant? Henry's law constant. This is the formula. Remember this formula and write the definition at your own. The Henry's law said that partial pressure of a gas in which phase? Vapor phase is directly proportional to the mole fraction of a solution. Here proportionality proportionality remove and equals to P is equals to KH, means Henry's law, constant. Okay, sixth question, what is ebullioscopic constant? It is defined as an elevation in boiling point observed in 1 molar solution of non-volatile solute. This is the formula. Based on this, you write elevation in boiling point observed in 1 molar solution in non-volatile solute. Delta TB is equals to KB into molality, small m. KB is equals to, KB means what constant? Ebullioscopic constant. That value is 0.52 K into kilogram mole inverse. Cryoscopic constant. What is cryoscopic constant? It is defined as depression in freezing point. Delta TF is equals to KF into molality. Okay, this is the constant. Which constant? Cryoscopic constant is observed in 1 molar solution non-volatile. Just only here ebullioscopic means elevation in boiling point, and here depression in freezing point. Delta F is equals to KF into molality. KF is equals to 1.86 K into kg mole inverse. Okay, last question. Define osmotic pressure. The amount of external pressure which is applied on the more concentrated solutions to prevent the osmotic when two solutions are separated when the semi-permeable membrane is called as the amount. The amount means quantity of external pressure. Which pressure? External pressure is applied on the more concentrated solution to prevent osmotic when two solutions are separated. Amount, small amount, quantity of a pressure applied on more concentrated solution to prevent osmosis when two solutions are separated. Semi-permeability membrane is known as osmotic pressure. Which pressure? Osmotic pressure. It is denoted by pi. These also slightly important IP point of view. What are isotonic solutions? The two solutions which have same osmotic pressure in the constant temperature. Two solutions having same osmotic pressure at a constant temperature. Temperature is constant and osmotic is same for each two solutions. Blood, example is blood is isotonic with 0.9% M mass volume NaCl solution. Saline means these also saline. Blood is isotonic with saline. These are two solutions having same osmotic pressure but different temperatures. Next, what is reverse osmotic? What is reverse osmotic means when a pressure greater than of osmotic pressure is greater than osmotic is applied on the solution side, then solvent from the solution flows into pure solvent. This process is reverse osmotic. Example, it is used to desalination of seawater. Greater the osmotic pressure is applied to the solution one side. Key points are greater the osmotic pressure, solution side, solvent from the solution flows into the pure solution. This process is called as reverse osmotic. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Our classes are notifies you, and in our channel MZ classes also going on. Please watch it.